Hello and welcome. Today, let's explore Ebastine 10 mg and Montelukast 10 mg tablets, a powerful treatment for allergy symptoms like runny nose, stuffy nose, sneezing, and watery eyes. These tablets provide quick relief from allergies, helping you breathe easier and feel more comfortable. What's more, you can get this effective treatment at a great price. While the market MRP is 175 rupees, at Dava India, it's available for just 50 rupees. Make sure to visit your nearest Dava India store to get your hands on this allergy relief solution. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.